In this quick video, I'll show you how to add another picture in Photoshop. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and also like this video. So I have this background image and I want to add this picture to this image. So for that, firstly we need to select the second image which we want to move. So for that, I'll just select this image and make sure to select move tool from here, or you can press V on your keyboard. Now select your picture and drag it by holding left click on your mouse and release the picture by releasing your left click from mouse, and there you go, your picture has been inserted on your background. Sometimes selecting picture from move tool can be imprecise because there can be multiple layers. So for that, what we can do is, firstly I'll remove this picture from here. Now go to your second image and copy the image from here. For that, select your layer from layers panel and press Ctrl C on your keyboard and go back to your background image and press Ctrl V to paste the image on your background. Now if I was a big help, can you please subscribe my channel? I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.